Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Cindy for those of you who don't know me, and this is the last and final video in the how to in the 5 most popular South African desserts. So yes, this video has been a long time coming. Initially this series was supposed to be over a period of 5 weeks, but it has spanned like almost 5 or 6 months. So anyway, today I'm actually making Koesisters. This is like a Cape Malay sweet dessert that's coated with coconut, desiccated coconut. It's very nice. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, please do. The first one I did was how to make a peppermint crisp tart, and then I did Malva Pudding next, and then next I did what was it? I think it was milk tart, and then lastly before this one I did Trifle. So today we're making Koesisters, not Koesisters, Koesisters. Let's get started. Okay, so this recipe is actually it's actually my first time making Koesisters, and I got the recipe from Fatima Sedau's website, so I'll link it down below, and with all the measurements and everything, because now I did measure everything out, but I can't remember like what's what, just what it is, but not the measurement. So first of all, this is 5 cups of flour, right? Put 5 cups of flour there. Yeah, the nice thing about working with the stand mixer is you get to do like a big batch in one go, and it's not a lot of labor, but you could definitely do it with your hands. There's just a lot of elbow grease you have to use. So let's get that here. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then some baking powder, instant yeast, melted butter. I think I got all that in. Some salt, some sugar. This is lemon zest, no, nachi zest. You can use the dried one or the fresh one. Okay. This is some ginger, grated fresh ginger, and then this is cardamom and star anise seed, and yeah, cinnamon, and I used, what is it, nutmeg. Okay, lastly 1 large egg. Here's me forgetting the liquid. So this is 1.5 cup of lukewarm, it's actually whey from when I made yogurt, but you can use milk, you can even use water, whatever is your preference. But I'm repurposing the whey that I drain from where I make my own homemade yogurt. I also have a video on that, and I'll also link it down below. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I will first just mix the dry ingredients first. Okay, and then I'm going to gradually just add the whey into the thing. Okay, maybe that wasn't gradually. Yes, I forgot, on the original recipe it was actually 4.5 cups of flour and 1 cup of mashed potatoes, but I didn't have any potatoes, so I just put 5 cups of flour. So my dough is a little bit hard, so I'm going to add a little bit more whey just to soften it a little bit. But yeah, I think like with bread doughs, it's always good just to see as you go along. Sometimes you might need to add a little bit more liquid, sometimes a little bit less. It's always good to start with less, then you can always add more. But if you start with more liquid, you can't take it out, it then messes everything up. So I'm just going to put this for like, I think 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. It should be fine afterwards. Okay, so my cameraman is back, so yay. Okay, so what I did is now I just rolled them into little shape. It's a very sticky dough still, so it's difficult to get like, you know, nice like symmetrical shapes, but yeah, I just put them here on a floured surface, and then I'm just gonna let it rest just for a little while. This is the time that I'll take to make the syrup that we're gonna dip them in. Let's do this. Okay, so to make the syrup, it's simple. You just use 3 cups of water. I used boiling water to speed up the process, and some cinnamon sticks. So basically you just need to stir the sugar until it dissolves, and then you let it boil down until it's a bit thick but not too thick. All right,